The last time I did this, people thought I was either insane or a genius, maybe a bit of both. Let's start with clothes. You guys know the drill. I try on every single outfit, take a photo in it, and copy the outline of my silhouette. Then I will paste it into my notes so I don't have to dig through my suitcase to find an outfit. I just go to my little Polly Pocket catalog and choose from there, organized by occasion. I got a new suitcase for this trip from Baze after seeing 750,000 ads for it, and she's gorgeous, but she's defective, much like me in that way. I manhandled this for 10 minutes and it would not open, so a really good start on the $400 suitcase. Back to packing, we've got accessories and jewelry, bags. I actually pack all of my workout sets inside my bags so they don't lose their shape if they get squished in the suitcase at all. Then all of my clothes are rolled, not folded. Trust me on this. Packing cubes are a must. Okay, this toiletry bag is the Sophia Richie of toiletry bags. It's just better than everyone else, and it fits all my full-size products, which is crazy. In case you guys haven't noticed, this is not a minimalistic packing inspo vid. I think this would actually send Marie Kondo into a coma. Next up, the carry-on. We've got laptop, iPad, headphones, charger, AirPods, book, wipes because airplanes are disgusting, a sleep bag with earplugs, rescue patches, a sleep mask, high-protein snacks, and passport. Go watch my packing video on YouTube. Look how nice everything fits in there. My roller carry-on has bags and camera equipment, the things that I really do not want to lose, and we are off.